Everyone, today we are going to see about Unit 5 General Solution of M cross N rectangular games. The method of solving game is linear programming method and iterative method for approximate solution. Now we are going to see about linear programming method. So our question is solve the game using linear programming method. So the matrix is given here. This one is a player A and this is the player B. So row wise is the player A and column wise is the player B. So let the strategies of the two players. So if your game is played, the two players need to be participated and the one will be gained and one will be lost. So the strategies will be there are two players. The strategy of two players can be found by SA equal to A1 A2 A3 and SB equal to B1 B2 B3, and respective with of strategy A we have to place P1 P2 P3, and respective with B1 strategies of B we have to place Q1 Q2 Q3. We have to know that the probability is always equal to 1, so P1 plus P2 plus P3 equal to 1 and Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 equal to 1. This is common in all the problems of linear programming method in game theory. So our LPP formulation of the two players are, we have to find the player A, because if we assume that player A gets gained, so if player A wins and player B lost, means we have to assume that maximum U equal to we have to place its maximum U and the minimum is 1 by U. Our A values are x1 plus x2 plus x3. This is the player A wise. This is the player A and this is the player B. So x1 plus x2 plus x3. So how we form means this one is the player A row. Player A. So we have to find frame the equations as x1 8x1 plus 6x2 minus 2x3 greater than or equal to 1, because we assume that player A gains, so it is greater than 1. Likewise minus 3x1 minus 4x2 plus 2x3 greater than or equal to 1, and 7x1 plus 5x2 minus 3x3 greater than or equal to 1. Here all the values x1 x2 x3 greater than or equal to 0. This is the objective, this is the basic form. So we have to find the constraints for player B also, because we have to find the one which is the best and the value of the game. So for that we have to find the player of B. So player B is lost, so minimum B equal to maximum of 1 by V. It can be written as y1 y2 y3. It can be, this is written as x1 plus x2 plus x3. So here we have to place the constraints in row wise. x1 minus 8x1 minus 8y1 minus 3y2 plus 7y3 less than or equal to 1. Why it is less than or equal to 1 means because it is lost, the player B lost the game, so it is less than or equal to 1. So then 6xy1 minus 4y2 plus 5y3 less than or equal to 1, minus 2y1 plus 2y2 minus 3y3 less than or equal to 1, y1 y2 y3 is greater than or equal to 0. So now we have to form the standard forms. So why we assume this is for player B means because the less than 1 constraints gives the we have to use the slack variable and gets the equation inequality into equality. So for this greater than or equal to, it's too difficult compared to the less than or equal to. So less than or equal to, if the constraint is having, means we have to use the slack variable and replace it as a equality constraints. So only we use the maximum of 1 by V equal to V, as the standard form can be written as maximum of 1 by V. So we know that minimum V equal to maximum of 1 by, it can be written as like this. So maximum of 1 by V equal to, we have to first replace the inequality constraint into equality constraint. So here is inequality, so we have to place plus x1 plus s1 equal to 1. Likewise also second constraints inequality plus s2 equal to 1 plus s3 equal to 1. So our standard form is y1 plus y2 plus y3 already having. So here is objective function 0 s1 plus 0 s2 plus 0 s3. This is the standard form of the objective function, and here what we put means y1 y2 y3 s1 s2 s3 greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, absolutely, it is always greater than or equal to 0. First we have to find the initial iteration. Initial iteration is very simple because we have to see b and yb. We have to place what are the variables given in the objective function y1, y2, y3, s1, s2, s3. The coefficients are replaced in the cj's. So 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, so we have to place here. And the yb is what are the slack variables added in the equation is placed here, s1, s2, s3, and it is zj and zj minus 1. This is common for all. So the slack variable coefficient in the objective function is 0 0 0, so we have to place the coefficients of y1. So 8 minus 3 7 1 0 0. There is no slack variable of s2 and s3, so 0 0. And our xb is after equal we have a value, that is xb. So 6 minus 4 5 0 1 0 1, and minus 2 2 minus 3 0 0 1 1. And this is zj is nothing but 0 into 8 plus 0 into 6 plus 0 into minus 2. So the value into 0 is always 0, so it is totally 0 in all the columns. And zj minus cj is 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So here we have to find the most negative. So most negative is all are the same value, so we have to choose any value. So I choose y3. So xb by y3 is we have to divide it. So what is xb? 1 divided by 7, 1 by 5, and 1 divided by minus 3. So here negative terms will come here, 1 by 7, 1 by 3. Here we have to find the least positive. So least positive is my 1 by 7 because it is 0.14. This is 0.2, so it is a least positive, so we have to mark this column. So the leaving variable, what we leave this variable, s1, and ev means entering variable. The variable y3 is entered here and s1 is left. So the pivoted elements, both the intersection is pivoted element, so 7 is the pivoted element here. Then what we do means we have to we have to frame this equation as without the negative terms. So here having a negative terms, so we have to replace it. Likewise what we do means we have to choose a we have chosen the column, this is 7. So what we do means this will be turned as 1, and this will be converted into 1. So how we convert means, so 8 minus 3 7 1 0 0 1 1. So if we divided by 7 means what we get here, divided by 7 is always 0. So here 8 by 7, this column can be changed as 8 by 7 and minus 3 by 7, and 7 by 7 is 1 1 by 7 0 0, and 1 by 7. Then what we do means we have to convert all the columns with respect to the previous columns. So our next form is this one. Our next form is we have to convert this. So write a value 6 minus 4 5 0 1 0 1. So 101. So we have to use this value. What we changed in the next table is we have to use this value. So we have to use 8 by 7 minus 3 by 7 1. This is changed as 1 by 7 0 0 1 by 7. We have to convert this terms as these terms as 0, because we have to mark the pivoted element is changed as 1 and the respective column is changed as 0. So here 5 is converted into 0. We have to convert. So for that we have to multiply with 5 in all the terms. So 5 5 5. We have to minus all the terms. So put minus. So 6 minus 8 so 40 divided by 7. 4 6 are 42 minus 40 divided by 7, that is 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is placed here. Likewise next one, minus 4 plus 3 5 are 15 by 7. 7 4s are 28 plus 15. 28 plus 15 is here 5 and 5 10 12. Sorry, 28 by 15 is what? 28 by 15. Here is 3 and 1 minus 13 by 7. So here is minus 13 by 7. And what we do next means 5, this one convert into 5 minus 5 is 0, as it is 0. And this is see here, minus 5 by 7 1 0, and 1 minus 5 by 7 is 7 minus 5 divided by 7, that is 2 by 7. So minus 5 by 7 1 0 and 2 by 7. So this is the next outcome. Next what we do means we have to convert this as this into we have to convert this. So we have to write the values. What is that? Minus 2 and 2 minus 2 2 minus 3 0 0 1 1. We have to convert it. So 8 by 7 minus 3 by 7 1 1 by 7 0 0 1 by 7. So how we convert means we have to convert which value? We have to convert minus 3. So multiply into 3. 3 3 are 9. So 3 and 3 are here. 3 means what we get? Minus 2, 8 1 is 8, 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24, plus 24 divided by 7, 7 2 is 14, plus 24 divided by 7, that is 10 by 7. This is one. And 2 minus 9 by 7. 7 2 is 14, minus 9 divided by 7 is 14, minus 9 is 5. So 5 by 7. So here is 5 by 7. This is getting 0 and 3 by 7 and 0 1. 1 minus 3 by 7 is 7 minus 3 4. 4 by 7. 7 1 4 by 7. So we have to place this values, and we have to multiply 1 into 8 by 7, 0 into plus 0 into 2 by 7, 0 into 10 by 7. The values of these getting, if we multiply means this will get the value of the first column. So 8 by 7 minus 3 by 7 1, 1 by 7 0 0 and 1 by 7, and ZJ minus CJ means we get this values. 8 by 7 minus 1 is 1 by 7, minus 3 by 7 minus 1 is minus 10 by 7. So we have to mark the most negative, and if we divide the most negative with for xb divided by y2 means nothing but minus 3 by 1 by 7 into 7 by minus 3 means 7 7 getting cancelled, minus 1 by 3. Likewise here minus 13 by 7 minus 13 by 7 in 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7 is 7 by 13 is 7 7 getting cancelled, minus 2 by 13. And here is 10 by 7 into 7 by 5 is 2. So we have to mark this because it is the least positive. So we have to mark this here. Leaving variable is s3 and entering variable is y2, and the pivoted element is 5 by 7. Next we have to choose, we have to here having a one negative term, so we have to convert it into a positive term. So we have to do like in the previous step as it is. So for this we have to multiply by 7 by 5 in all the terms of third row. So into 7 by 5 means 7 7 getting cancelled and 2 is the remaining. I will write and show. So here 10 by 7, 5 by 7, 0, 3 by 7, 0, 1, 10 by 7. If we multiply 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 means this 7 7 getting cancelled, this is 2, and this whole term getting cancelled, 1 0 and 3 by 5 0, 7 by 5 and 7 7, and it is 2. So these values are placed here. So can you understand this? Yeah. Then what we do means we have to replace these two terms. So that is 2 by 7 minus 13 by 7 0 minus 5 by 7 1 0 and 2 by 7. We have to convert this, so we have to use this value 1 2 1 0 3 by 5 0 7 by 5 2. So what value we have to convert? This is 13 by 7. So for that we have to multiply 7 by minus 13 and 7 by 13. So 7 by 13 into 7 by 13 into 7 by 13. So for that we have to convert 2 by 7 minus 7 to 14 divided by minus 13. So that is we have to convert means we get this values as is it these values are we have get. So and the value of ZA is 1 into 2 plus 0 into 36 by 7 and 1 into 2, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. So this values we have to add 1 into 1 1, so 1 value. ZA minus CJ is 4 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 0. We have to place it, and this is the last value. ZA last value, so all the terms are positive, so it is the value of the game. 1 by b equal to 3, so b equal to 1 by 3. How to find the strategies means we have to see here here having a y2 and y3 and why not this q. We have to find the value of strategy of b because we are placing the standard form as a standard form as the player b. So q1 equal to 0. Why? Because here there is no y1 term, so q1 equal to 0 and q2 is nothing but the value of the game into value of the game into and the xp value 2 into 1 by 3 and the q3 is 1 into 1 by 3. So our SB equal to b1 b2 b3 q1 q2 q3 0 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Likewise, using duality we have to find the a values. P1 p2 p3 is nothing but slack variables value, so 1 into 1 by 3 and 0 into 1 by 3 and 2 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 0 2 by 3. So a1 a2 a3 1 by 3 0 2 by 3. This is the strategies of A and B. Hope you all understand, and thank you.